This is the second video on the topic comment statement. So if you are interested in watching the previous video on this topic, the link are given in the description box. So we are going to continue looking at single line comment statements. So the second way to use single line comment statement is to put hash in the middle of a statement or after a statement. When we put hash anywhere in the statement, the part after the hash will become a comment. Let me show you an example. So we have a variable for favorite color, correct? So after the variable, I'm going to put that after the value for the variable, I'm going to put a hash and write this variable has my favorite color as the value. Now save the file and run the code. So we can write, and if you see that it has not shown the comment as the output there. So we can write this anywhere. So let me show you another example. Now I am going to put a comment after the if statement. So let us say this line checks for green color. So let me put here after this hash and then say this line will check for the color green. So here I am adding a comment in the same line as the if condition, but after we finish the condition, and so to explain what that condition is doing. So now let me save the file and run the code. See, again no error. So we saw how to type a special character and then add a comment in the statement. There is also one more way to do it. So we can move the cursor to the point where we want the hash and then go to the menu and choose comment line from there. So Python will add 2 hash when we use this option in the menu, and that is alright, it is okay. So if you are using the keyboard, you can just put 1 hash. Here also we can remove 1 hash and it will still be a comment. Now in the same way, we can uncomment that line also. So we can select the line and then choose uncomment section from the menu. Or you can simply remove the hash using delete or backspace in the keyboard. So there are 2 ways to do it. You can uncomment from the top or delete it using the keyboard. Now you can save the file and run the code. See, now the print is now shown as the output. So in our next video, we are going to learn a lot more to comment many lines. So let's see about that in the next video. See you soon.